And you get to see an utter disaster with this looks like glass technique. But anyways, getting right into the box here, I was completely and utterly surprised that this kit actually has really, really good details. The only bad part was the clear parts were complete and utter trash. Until I had to move them 1,000 times, and they broke off 1,000 times, and it was just a pain in the butt the whole time, and then they broke off more, and then they broke again, and then I had to re-glue them again, and then I realized that that's a door. And this is a model disaster where you think you're doing really good, and then you realize that there's a door there, and it needs to open. You can't open it with a bunch of wires there. So my first tip on this build is to skip this step and buy some aftermarket landing gear that actually hold up. As we speak right here, it is squashed on the ground. It's very unfortunate, but it's going in a box and I already got the pictures, so blah. Now that everything was done and matte coated, I was able to finally assemble the rest of the parts and pieces in little bips and bobs to the rest of this kit. And it was super satisfying to do so, as I did invest a lot of time and a lot of patience into this kit already, as so many things had gone awry and wrong. So this is my model of the year. It pissed me off to no end several different times. Everything that could have went wrong went wrong. The clear parts didn't fit in quite right. I had to do a lot of fixing with the clear parts. After I had test fitted them and they fit in perfectly, I missed something. And right here, right at this point right here, when I was installing the wings, final step, put on the wings, put on the struts. I put on the wings, I pressed a little bit too hard, and I broke the freaking landing gear. Everything that could have went wrong with this kit, and that's what makes modeling so freaking fun, is that you get to share this story with others and have a blast talking about why it went wrong. But back to what I was saying about everything going wrong, it's the fun of it. That's what makes modeling fun, is that, oh my gosh, this happened. Oh my gosh, this happened. Oh my gosh, this happened. Everything happened on this kit. Either way, I had a really, really fun time building this kit and putting as much detail as I did into it. This is a great fun build, and I just appreciate all you guys out there supporting me.